Welcome to Move Call AI Deep Dive. Today, physical AI, orchestrating next-gen logistics and field services. This is transformative, Mark.
Transformative, or just more robots? I'm skeptical. How does physical AI impact moving trucks or technicians?
It's sensors, robotics, and ML interacting with the real world. Think autonomous forklifts, smart warehouses, inspection drones.
Autonomous physical labor. What's the ROI? Many struggle with basic efficiency already.
Huge ROI. Automated inventory, route optimization, predictive maintenance. Less downtime, huge savings.
Predictive maintenance, sure. But for a small moving company? No AI packing robots yet, right?
Not packing robots. AI-driven route optimization, adapting to traffic. Delays minimized, operations optimized.
Sounds like advanced GPS, not truly physical AI interacting uniquely with the physical world.
It's deeper. AI loading systems maximize truck space, balance, reduces fuel, prevents damage, tangible interaction.
Okay, efficiency gains I see. But the human element, are we replacing entire workforces?
More augmenting, freeing humans from repetitive, dangerous tasks. They focus on complex problem solving and customer service.
So a technician with an AI companion to pre-diagnose issues or fetch tools sounds genuinely useful.
Precisely. AI systems ensuring safety, compliance automatically before dispatch, dramatically reducing human error.
Safety, compliance are critical, but the integration challenge, that sounds massive for businesses.
It's an evolution. Companies automate specific processes, then scale. Technology is becoming more accessible.
Accessible versus cost. Investment for these advanced systems must be substantial.
Initially, yes, but long-term savings and efficiency gains typically outweigh it, crucial given labor shortages.
Labor shortages are huge, so physical AI offers a solution to a critical industry problem.
Absolutely. It's orchestrating entire operational flows, from dispatch to delivery, ensuring seamless coordination.
Coordination, predictability, gold in logistics, beyond a single automated task.
Yes, autonomous decision-making in physical environments, dynamically adapting. Think smart cities, traffic flow.
That's a broader vision. For logistics, it's intelligent, self-optimizing systems that physically execute and learn.
Exactly. Platforms managing human interface, scheduling, quotes, 24/7 calls. Crucial as physical systems expand. Robust support key.
Human-centric AI alongside physical AI. Interesting synergy. Reliable human interface is needed.
Indeed. Seamless integration truly matters. To move call to elevate customer experience while physical operations optimize.
I'm coming around. Physical AI isn't hype, it's strategic for efficiency and resilience. Thanks, Sarah.
My pleasure, Mark. Join us next time for more AI Deep Dives.